When visiting Target, it's nearly impossible to walk past Bullseye'S playground without stopping to take a look at the deals. This recent visit, I was blown away by the amazing finds. So run, don't walk, to your nearest Target to take advantage of these bargains. So many things in the playground are too stinking cute, and first up is this phone stand that looks like a retro television. I'll be so disappointed if my phone doesn't fit. They also have this cute mini vacuum that looks like a trash can, and these snail and hedgehog mini Bluetooth speakers. The bee theme is super popular right now. Target has this cute section box with the bee theme, hive-shaped baskets, and actual ceramic honey pots. I thought these hive and bee decor pieces would be resin, but they're actually ceramic. And how sweet are these three signs? Further down the aisle, I found these cabinet knobs and this milk box. And I almost missed this hive-shaped plastic drink dispenser on the bottom shelf. Then I realized that right next to the hive drink dispenser was a pumpkin-shaped one, and I thought, dang, it's kind of early for autumn. But it isn't too early for Target. They already have a few small florals and several different bags of miniatures with things such as pine cones, pumpkins, and berries. I picked up this bag with these interesting shades of green, plus these frosted apples. But there's still plenty of summer in the playground. These lake-themed decor pieces are adorable. This divided box would be so cute with plants, and these mini boat oars would work on the wall or the table. Of course, they have a couple of signs, and this cute lifeguard building as well. This boat-shaped tier tray is kind of small, but it would be perfect for serving pickles and olives. I've seen these yarn balls around for a while, including at the Dollar Tree, but not in blue and white, so I picked up two. The cutest though, this life jacket can cozy. Lake, pool, or park, nothing says summer like picnics and barbecues. I think this silverware paper towel holder is genius. No more napkins blowing away, just use a roll of paper towels. While drinks would look cute in this bucket, I think I'd use it for hamburger and hot dog condiments. This reversible food server could be a pedestal plate for desserts and sandwiches, or to raise a serving container off of the table, but flip it over and it becomes a chip and dip server. This folding tray would also elevate your picnic service, and with folding legs, it will store compactly. This small side table will give your guests a place to set their plate, but folds flat for storage. I love that this can cozy is completely closable, making it super versatile. So I grabbed this tray as soon as I saw it. It's a bit smaller than others I've seen and will be great for tabletop displays or a DIY. I also love these different tabletop shelves that are perfect for displaying your smaller collections, and I picked up this tiered shelf, which I later realized is in the shape of a beehive. These milk crates are super cute, and after much debate, I decided on the bee one. Even though the white one is blank, I preferred the wood look over the paint. I think this will look so cute with some succulent picks, and wouldn't you know, the playground has these packs of 3. At $3, they're less expensive than the Dollar Tree, and I think they look more realistic. I definitely picked up a few. Bullseye'S Playground always has some organizing items in the collection, but their selection on this visit was on point. I am a huge fan of caddies, and these would be great for crafting or cleaning supplies among other uses. These magazine holders are wider than you typically find and also have a lower profile. I'm hoping that they will help me wrangle in my pantry. These folding containers are great for temporary storage, such as in your car or RV. And I had to think long and hard about not picking up this 3-tier shelf, and I may regret not grabbing it. I was super excited to see these spinning organizers. Unlike regular Lazy Susans, these have sides so your contents won't fall over. I grabbed 4 and I'm hoping they're the answer to my current pantry organizing dilemma. And speaking of caddies, these have a large open side, and if my kids were still young, I'd have grabbed one for each for non-screen time kits that would have been perfect for home or a road trip. The playground has lots of enrichment activities for kids. You could put coloring and activity books, writing pads, and reading books in the large section, and writing and coloring tools, small games, and flashcards in the smaller sections. Or use a large section for paddles and jump ropes, and place sidewalk chalk and bubbles in the smaller sections, and you have a ready-to-go outside activity caddy. No more summer boredom. For the past 6 months, I've had on my to-do list a gallery wall to display family photos. While I had planned to use frames, when I saw this, I immediately changed my plan. I picked up 2, and I can't wait to move this project off of my list. Also on my to-do list is something to jazz up the walls of my kitchen that is apartment-friendly and didn't involve painting, since that isn't allowed. And I saw these peel and stick tile sheets and was super excited. At first I couldn't find a pattern and color combo that I liked. Then at the bottom I found this sprinkled color set, and I would love to work outside on occasion, but I can't deal with the glare on my laptop. I'm hoping this little surround eliminates that problem. And while not at Bullseye'S Playground, I was super happy to see this shout out to my California Angels. Bullseye'S Playground is one of my favorite places to shop, not just in Target, but really anywhere. It isn't unusual for me to find a thing or two every time I visit, but this visit was epic. I seriously have never bought as many things from the playground as I did on this trip. So what about you? Do you love the playground, or are you able to walk past it? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, watch another video, and consider joining the Koala crew by subscribing to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you have a koala-ty day.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that.